Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the JBL Tune Beam with the JBL Tune Flex, the specs comparison. So when we are going to look here on the driver size, JBL Tune Flex got a larger driver, then the frequency response is a tie, the battery life is better for Tune Beam, and only because you have up to 48 hours, and with JBL Tune Flex you have only up to 32 hours. Quick charge is going to have 15 minutes for 4 hours of playtime for JBL Tune Beam. With the JBL Tune Flex you're going to have 10 minutes for 2 hours of playtime. Bluetooth version is going to be for 5.3 here for Tune Beam. Then both got the noise cancelling. Then also Tune Flex got better water resistance, so this is important. And then when you're gonna have the voice aware, Tune Flex is better. The additional features is a tie. And when we are going to look here, what we can find here is that if you're looking for better water resistance, you can have higher driver size and better voice assistant integration, you can go with the JBL Tune Flex. But if you're looking for better battery life, quick charge, Bluetooth version, and that's like pretty much it, then you can also go with the JBL Tune Beam. So this was a quick comparison for you regarding the specifications, the Tune Beam and Tune Flex. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.